This is Microneedle. It absolutely works. I've been using it for 2 years and now I'm 43. I don't have any Botox, any filler at all. I'm not gonna lie, it helps me a lot for the last 2 years. I have seen the difference. This tool is fantastic for brightening and tightening your skin and also pigment, scar, fine lines, wrinkles, skin texture. Before I had skin texture on my forehead and now it's gone. And also cold feet. You see, it's almost nothing. We use this pen with this cartridge and we put it together like this. In the cartridge, there's nano needle. This nano needle going to penetrate our skin where you want to create collagen and elastin. That's why our skin look younger and better. And you can get these micro needles on our website. I will leave the link below. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. Let me cleanse my face first. Stay tuned, I'll come back. Hi, once again. After you cleansing your face, you put your skin on. I'm gonna put on my skin, my face, and also neck. This microneedle helps to infuse vitamin into my skin. Okay, now I'm ready. First, you insert this cartridge like this and turn a little bit to lock it. On the pen, you can adjust the depth. Okay, today I'm gonna set 0.5. Gonna start from my forehead. I'm gonna divide it into 3 parts: right side, middle, and left. Let's get started. You just go up and down. Move the device slowly without pressure and then back, across. Next, middle part. And next step, I'm going to divide it into part, upper part and lower part. Let's do it. Do the same. Lower part. Okay, and then when you finish this side, you do the same this side. The chin. Your lips. Okay, I forgot eyebrow. Go over on your eyebrow. It can help stimulate hair growth. You just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another side. And next step, go around my eyes. I'm gonna change depth from 0.5 to 0.25. 0.25. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just do it gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cold feet. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it more than 5 times, and another side as well. if you want to do some parts more than that I did, you can do it again, like cold and smile lines or wrinkles between forehead. You can do it again. Okay, now I'm done. I feel a lot more firm, and you'll feel it from the first time treatment. If you do this the day before you go into celebrate your special day, you will have amazingly nice and smooth skin, and you will look gorgeous. After treatment, our skin will be dry, so you need to put moisturizer and sunscreen. For 1 or 2 days, we have to avoid heating up our face, like going in the sun or doing your exercise. And you can find this microneedle on our website. I will leave the link below. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.